Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just did something and my back hurts. So I don't feel like working anymore. I feel like learning something new and playing around with something. Because that's what it is. I'm sitting here in the chair and it hurts to stand. So I think I'm going to start my project. I'm not sure if I want to go through making the sheet and everything right now. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to work on getting the base done. Sorry. We're going to work on getting the whole base done. I do have some sheet already. So I'm going to mute you guys so you don't have to listen to the fan. And we're going to torch this guy. Alright, so now we're going to do our design, and so the design calls for this guy and this guy to be above one another. So I want to keep enough of this. See if I can get them both. Okay, so I want to keep an even amount across on the outside. Okay, so I want to do the outside. I'm not going to cut out the centers until I get the outside done. I did grind these out a little bit to try and get some of that extra little flux that I had in there, and the flux that melted in the wrong spot and didn't flow where I wanted it to. Here we go. All right, it's on there. Okay, so today I'm going to be working on this piece right here. Again, let me get switched over to this so I can see it. What we did last time was we got our little decoration around the bottom of the my brain's so not working today. The bezels, and we also soldered on 2 copper balls. They're gonna be nice and shiny against the rest of the silver. So I do have my line traced out, which I think was about 1, but it was probably closer to 2 millimeters. And that was from there. I think 6 seems like a little much. Yeah. Yeah, so we're about almost 5 millimeters. But that was the original, so that's what we're going with. That guy put away. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cut this off. I'm going to follow my line. Try and get this cleaned up a little bit. It's kind of hard to see my line. Can only see it in a couple of spots. So I think I'm going to have to buff it a little bit to be able to get to where I can see those lines. But so that's going to be the project for right now. We're going to get this cut out, get it smooth. I'm probably going to solder on the bail and clean it all up, and we'll see if we can get this actually done today. The other day I got my logo put on there, or my touch mark, and 925 stamped in. So, oh, and I have to saw, what was it? So the bottom was getting a star, and the top was getting a heart. So we'll have to see, we'll have to get those done as well. But for the most part, I think I'm actually doing kind of well. It's turning out pretty close to the way I drew it. All right, so there's that. That's what's on our table for today. right, there she is. I'm excited. All right. It looks like the video has loaded. So I will start it downloading. I'm going to get some pictures of this, and we're going to call this part 4 done. Do you approve, Gus? Do you approve? Approved by Gus. All right. I hope you guys all have a great day. Make sure you follow, share us with your friends. If you'd like to see me try something, I guess, let me know in the comments or the chat. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and share. Hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see the newest videos that come up, you can check us out either here on Twitch and get the live stream, or you can watch past live streams in the Twitch category. So I hope you guys all have a great day and keep making.